The potential difference between A and B in the given branch of a circuit is. The branch of an electrical circuit is given to us and we need to find potential difference between point A and point B. It is given to us that current of 2 ampere is flowing through that branch. We all know the current always flows from high potential to low potential. So as you can see, the current is flowing from this direction to that direction. It means this must be high potential and this point must be low potential. The same way, if you talk about this resistance, current is coming like this point must be high potential and this point must be at low potential. So let us mark this as positive and negative. Generally, high potential is marked with positive sign and low potential is marked with negative sign. Same way, for this 3 ohm resistance, current is coming like this. So this must be high potential and this must be low potential. Okay, for a battery or a cell, the bigger line is always high potential and the smaller line represents low potential. The same way for this battery, this bigger line is high potential, the smaller line is low potential. Now we need to find potential difference between point A and point B. So if we apply Kirchhoff voltage rule, generally there is a misconception among the students that Kirchhoff voltage rule is applicable only for closed circuit. But we can apply Kirchhoff voltage rule for open circuit as well. See, here if I consider potential is VA and we are going from high potential to low potential, so there is some drop. So let us write potential of this point is VA. Across this resistance there is some drop. Because of drop I am using negative sign, and how much is that drop? According to Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. I value is 2 and R value is 1 ohm. So if you multiply these two, you will get 2 volt. So the drop across this resistance is 2 volt. Then from here to here we are going from negative to positive. It means the potential is increasing. So for increasing we are having a positive sign and the potential is increased by 9 volt. Then from here to here it is plus to minus, again it is decreasing. So for decreasing we will keep a negative sign. Current value is 2 ampere, resistance value is 2 ohm. If you multiply that, you will get total 4 volt. So 4 volt drop across this, that is 4 volt. Then from plus to minus, its potential decreasing, so minus sign. Potential is given as 3 volt. So let us write this as 3 volt. Then again from plus to minus, potential is decreasing, minus sign. Current value is 2 ampere, resistance value is 3 ohm. So the drop across this 3 ohm is 3 into 2, that is 6 volt. And then at last potential of B that we don't know, let us write it as potential of B as VB. So we have started with point A and we have ended up to point B. So this is the equation, and this equation we have written from Kirchhoff voltage rule, and we have used V is equal to IR, that is Ohm's law. In order to find the drop across the resistance, we have used that equation. Now if you solve this equation, VA, take that VB this side, so VA minus VB. Now as you can see, this plus 9 minus 2 becomes plus 7, minus 4 minus 3 becomes minus 7. So these values will get cancelled. We will have minus 6, that minus 6 will go that side, it becomes 6 volt. So the potential difference between A and B is 6 volt.